Merry Christmas.
What are you doing?
Everybody cookie.
Who are you making cookies for?
Santa Claus.
Santa Claus? When's Santa Claus coming?
Santa Claus, you have 2 more days.
2 more days? Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah, and what's Santa Claus going to bring you?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Yeah.
What did you ask him for?
A bag and a pencil and a coloring book.
Oh, how exciting. Can you say Merry Christmas?
Merry Christmas.
You ready to eat your cookie?
Yeah.
You take a bite of cookie?
Yes. Then you take a bite of the cookie.
Is it delicious? Is it delicious? Are you all done talking? Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Yeah.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.